Set math questions. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation, this equation x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 9 is a circle. The point 6C, where C is a constant, lies on the circle. What is the value of C? So 6 is x and C is y. So we need to find y. So 6 is 6, x is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 squared plus 3 squared is 9 plus y minus 5 squared equals 9. So we y minus 5 squared equals 9. Subtract 9, subtract 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0. So y minus 5 squared equals 0. This means square root, square root. So y minus 5 equals 0. Square root 0 is 0. So add 5, add 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Y is equal to 5. This is the solution. Assalamu alaikum.